The next thing that we are going to read in the algebraic manipulation and formulae is addition and subtraction of the algebraic fractions. So here are the questions. You can see in this fraction there is plus sign, and in this fraction there are plus minus signs. So actually now we are having plus and minus signs in spite of multiplication and division. So look now, the method to solve this kind of question is we have to take the LCMs, but all the algebraic identities and the concepts of the quadratic equation, that is factorization, can also be applied. So you have to be very careful now. So look now, in the numerator 3x is there, but in the denominator you can see this is 3x square and this is 2's square, and this fraction will remain as it is for the time being. So in the next step you can see a square minus b square formula will be applied in the denominator. So it will become 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2, and the next fraction will be written as it is. In the next step you can see we will take the LCM. So LCM will be, this bracket is same and this is different, so 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 will be the LCM. So now you can see for this fraction these two values will be cancelled and only 3x will be left in the numerator. This plus sign is there. In the second fraction, this 3x plus 2 will be cancelled by this one and this will be left. So this will be left with the numerator of the second fraction. So 5 into 3x minus, this fraction will be, this thing will be cancelled and this will be multiplied by this one. So 3x minus 2. So now you have to simplify this one. So things will become 3x, this 5 will be multiplied by inside, so 15x minus 10 over 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 as it is. And the very final step is 3x plus 15x is 18x, this minus 10 is as it is, and denominator is also as it is, that is 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, if you can see in this question, again plus minus signs are there, so we have to take the LCM. So denominators are all different, so it means all values will be combined to make the LCM. So this is the LCM. So for the first fraction, if you can see a minus 1 will be cancelled, so these two values will be left and these two values will be multiplied by the numerator of the first fraction. So 4 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. This minus 3 is there. So now for the second fraction you can see this a minus 2 will be cancelled. So these two values will be left, which will be multiplied by the numerator of the second fraction. So a minus 1 into a minus 3. Next, minus 1 is there. And in the denominator a minus 3 is there. So this a minus 3 will be cancelled. So these two values will be left, which will be multiplied by the numerator of this fraction. So a minus 1 into a minus 2. Okay, this is the step done. So now we will multiply the values. So look now, this 4 will remain as it is. So first value of the first bracket will be multiplied by the all values in the second bracket. So a square minus 3a. Likewise, now second value will be multiplied by all the values of the second bracket. So minus 2a plus 6. Okay. Likewise, this minus 3 will remain as it is. These two brackets will be multiplied. So this is the factor which is going to be multiplied with all the values. So a square minus 3a. Now this minus 1 will be multiplied. So minus a plus 3. Okay, this minus is still there. So I'm coming here. So minus 1. So now a is going to be multiplied with all the values of the second bracket. So a square minus 2a. And now minus 1 will be multiplied. So minus a plus 2. And in the denominator, that will remain as it is. That is a minus 1 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. Okay, now open the brackets. Now this 4 will be multiplied by a square. So 4a square. This thing will become minus 5a. So 4 will be multiplied. So it will become minus 20a. And with this 4 6 are 24. Okay, likewise this minus sign will change the inner signs. So minus 3a square. These two values will become minus 4a, but because of this signs, this minus sign will be changed. So 4 into 3 plus 12a, and with this one minus 9. Okay, now here minus a square. This will become minus 3a, but because of this it will become plus 3a. And minus 2, and denominator is still there. That is a minus 1 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. Okay, further 4a square minus 3a square will be a square. So look here, minus 3a square minus a square will be minus 4a square. That will be cancelled by this one. Okay, now minus 20a plus 12a will make minus 8a, plus 3a will make minus 5a. Okay, then 24 minus 9 will be 15, minus 2 will be 13. So plus 13. And denominator is still there. That is a minus 1 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. So this is the answer. Here are some more questions, but now this statement is solved. So remember one thing, whenever there comes the statement solve, actually you have to find the unknown variable that is involved in the question. As you can see in the first question, m is involved. So actually we will find the value of m because of the statement solve. And in the second question, x is involved. So actually we will find the value of x. So all the algebraic rules which you have learned will be applied. Algebraic identities, midterm breaking, etc. Different rules can be applied. So look now. In this question, cross multiply the values can be applied. So 5 will come here. So 5 into m. And on the right hand side, this value will go to the right side. So 3 into m plus 2. So at this step, you will open the bracket. So left hand side will be 5m and right hand side will be 3m plus 6. So at this step, you can see this 3m will come to the left hand side. So 5m minus 3m and 6 is left on the right hand side. 5m minus 3m will be 2m and 6 is still there. And in this step, at this step, 2 will go to the right hand side and it will become 6 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So it means m is equal to 3. So this is the answer. In this question, you can see we have to take the LCM because there are plus and minus signs in between them. So 6, 7 and 14. So look now, 6, 7 and 14. So we have to take the LCM of these values. So 2 3s are, 7 is still there, and 2 7s are. So next 3 1s are 3, and finally 7 1s are 7. So 2 3s are 6, and 6 7s are 42. So 42 is the LCM, and this x will be written with it. Right side is still there. So here you can see x will be cancelled, and 6 7s are 42. So 7 will be multiplied by the numerator. So 7 5s are 35. This plus is there. X will be cancelled. 7 6 are 42, and 6 will be multiplied by the numerator. So 6 6 are 36. Minus is there. Now x will be cancelled. 14 3s are 42, and 3 9s are 27. So 3 will be multiplied by the numerator. So at this step you can see 35 plus 36 is 71. So 71 minus 27. So 4 and 4. So 44 is left on the left hand side. In the denominator, 42 over x is still there, and right hand side 4 is still there. So at this step you can see now 42x will go to the right hand side, and to make things simple, this 4 will come to the left hand side, because these will be cancelled. 4 1s are 4 1s are, so things will be more easy. And in the next step, this 42 is multiplying with x, so it will come to the denominator of the 11, and this is the answer of the x.